Look at this amazing tip we brought for you today. In the pot, let's put 3 eggs. Cover with water and let them cook for about 12 minutes. Once the eggs are cooked, chop them up. Transfer to a bowl. Now take 2 tomatoes. Cut them in half, remove the ends and chop the rest. Add to the bowl with the eggs. Add 80 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese, 170 grams of sweet corn, and chopped parsley to taste. Add salt and black pepper to taste, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix everything well and it's ready to serve. Simple, quick, and super tasty. This salad is perfect for a complete meal or a quick side dish that everyone will love. Now it's your turn, make it and tell us in the comments what you think. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical ideas like this. See you in the next video. Until then.